Ever faced a broken SATA power connector that stops your hard drive from powering up? This SATA power splitter is designed to solve that exact problem by connecting all three power voltages, 3 volts, 5 volts, and 12 volts, between the connectors, ensuring stable and reliable power delivery for your drives. The splitter breaks out into two SATA power connectors from a single plug, letting you power two SATA drives from one SATA power supply connector. It's a straightforward solution that saves you from buying extra cables or upgrading your power supply, making it ideal for expanding your storage without hassle. Installation is simple and quick. The plug fits perfectly on the power side, even if the original L-shaped plastic connector on your drive has broken off. While it doesn't include the L-shaped support on the data side, the power connection remains secure and stable, preventing accidental disconnections during use. One user shared how this splitter fixed their broken SATA power connector problem. After about a week of use, their drives continued running smoothly without any sign of the plug loosening or falling off. That's solid proof of its durability and reliable fit. Although the manufacturer doesn't specify the data transfer rate, experience shows it supports speeds up to 6 gigabits per second. This matches the performance of other 6 gigabits per second drives, such as Western Digital 7200 revolutions per minute models, ensuring you won't lose speed when powering multiple drives with this splitter. If you're looking for a practical, cost-effective way to power two SATA drives from one connector without compromising performance, this SATA power splitter is worth a look. It's easy to install, dependable, and keeps your system running smoothly. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your storage setup without the extra clutter of additional power cables. This splitter gives you what you need, a clean, efficient power solution that just works.